In this training product, we're going to be going over polygon modeling with Softimage 2011. We're going to take advantage of Softimage 2011's robust modeling toolset to go ahead and tackle the challenge of recreating a real-life object in 3D. And we're going to do this by hand from scratch. Okay? We are going to be using reference images that come with this tutorial. So if I look here, here's a reference image of the back of this computer. You can see we have lots of different detail here in the image. Lots of different details that we have to take care of and recreate in 3D. Looks pretty daunting and pretty complex, and it is. We can also see that we have different reference images of different areas of this. So you can see here in my reference image the type of details I have. For example, on the side panel we can see this indentation with these areas with all of these vents that have little holes. So if I look at my object here in 3D, this is what we're going to be creating in this tutorial. So I'm going to show you and teach you techniques that are going to allow you to create all of these type of details on a polygon object inside of Softimage easily and quickly, because the challenge here is not only to recreate something from an image or a photograph in 3D, but the challenge is also to create this stuff and all of these details as quickly and as easily as possible. So that's my goal. My goal is to take you by the hand, and I'm going to teach you how to go ahead and create complex areas. Like if we look at the back of this computer case, we can see it's very complex. The rear has a lot of detail. We've got little ports for DVI plugs, VGA, Ethernet, USB ports, FireWire. We've got headphone jacks. We've got little panels and pieces of metal that are cut at different angles, and just metal folds and aluminum all over the place, and fan vents and things like that. Lots of details that are very time consuming, so it's a very involved project. However, I will be teaching you production techniques that I've picked up over my long years of modeling, and I'm going to teach you fast and easy ways of modeling complex detail like this inside of Softimage. We're going to be taking advantage of Softimage's very robust tool set. These tools allow you to model fast and as easily as possible. I'm going to be showing you techniques that will allow you to take advantage of these different polygon modeling tools in Softimage so that you can go ahead and recreate this. So I'm going to be taking you by the hand, and we're going to be creating this complex model, this object here in 3D. We're going to be doing it from scratch. We're going to start with nothing, and at the end we're going to end up with this, a very detailed polygon model. And by the time you're finished with this tutorial, you will have picked up more than enough techniques and lots of different strategies and production and professional tricks that are going to allow you to basically approach any type of mechanical modeling project similar to this, or even different from this. As long as it requires you to use polygon modeling tools, you can go ahead and use those techniques and tools to pretty much model anything that is mechanical, anything that requires polygon modeling. You should be able to tackle easily and very quickly. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'm going to end this video here, and in the next one we're just going to go ahead and start modeling this thing and begin this really fun project that's going to allow us to create something this complex in the most efficient, fast, and easy manner possible.